Hello friend, welcome to my channel Robocode Academy. Today in this video I will teach you how you can control the glowing of an LED. That means in this project we will learn a simple project which is called LED glowing. Okay, this is a very basic project for those who are going to start the electronics project. So for this project we will need some components. So we'll take the component first. So first of all, we need a breadboard. Okay. So I am taking the small version of the breadboard. After that, we need an LED and a resistance. Okay. And we need a battery for supplying the LED. And we need a 7805 IC LM7805 IC. Okay. So those components we need for to make this circuit LED glowing. So first of all, I want to say this is an LED, and we know that the LED has two terminals. One is positive and negative. Positive is called anode, and negative is called cathode or ground. Okay, and this is a resistance. This is for limit the current for to save the LED, and we need an 5-volt IC regulator, which is called LM7805. We know that the 7805 IC have three terminals. First is for input voltage positive, second is for ground or negative, and third pin is for the output 5 volt. Okay, so now we are going to place all those components on the breadboard for to make this circuit. So first of all, we are taking the LED and placed it on the breadboard. Okay, after that we need the resistance with the value will be 220 or 330 ohms. Okay, so I am taking 220 ohms. This is a 220 ohm resistance, and I am going to connect it with the negative terminal or positive terminal. Any terminal you can connect. I am going to connect it with the negative terminal of the LED. Okay, after that we are going to place the 5-volt IC regulator on the breadboard. Okay, we know that the third pin of this IC is a 5-volt output, and this 5-volt output will be connected with the positive terminal or anode of the LED. Okay, so we are taking a wire and connecting those terminal. That means the output terminal of this IC and the LED positive terminal. Okay, this is the positive. That means wire color will be red. So the another is we need to supply the negative terminal also, that is the ground, and we know the IC middle terminal is ground, so we are taking an ground from here and I'm connecting it to the resistance. Okay, this is will be the black color. Okay, so now the LED is connected. It means the positive and negative both are connected. So after that we will connect the 9-volt battery with this IC. Okay, so we know that battery positive terminal, which is the positive plus sign will be here. So the battery positive terminal will be connected to the first pin of this IC 7805 IC. Okay, so I'm going to connect it, and this color will be red. Okay, because it is a positive signal. And after that we'll connect the negative or ground with the IC middle pin. So we are going to connect it. Okay, now this is already connected, and this color will be black because it's a negative signal. So now the circuit is completed. You can see here we giving the supply to the 5 volt IC for converting the 9 volt to 5 volt, because 9 volt is too much high for this LED. If we directly connect the LED with this battery, it will burn out. So that's why we are using the 5 volt IC regulator for generating the 5 volt for this LED. Okay, so you can see here the resistance is also used for the limit of the current. Okay, okay, so now I am going to simulate this circuit and see what happened. So now I'm going to click on the start simulation. Okay, so now you can see that the LED is glowing. That means the circuit is working properly. Okay, if your LED is not glowing, you can check your connection, battery connection or any other wiring connection, uh, or you can check your IC that it's working properly or not. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.